Hey boy, so this is the MONOKEY. While you were asleep, I made two of them. One with a little screw stands. I'm not sure which one I like better, but I think I'm leaning towards the flush bottom one. We've got to figure out how we want to put it in a box. Let's get the shape of the box here. Okay. Perfect. Got our base. Perfect. Aha. There we go. In it goes. Beautiful. Probably gonna have some text on it. This is probably gonna go on top. Closes like that. Let me know if it arrives in one piece. That's it. Good night.